the beauties of my village. The village herons are flying. You see, they are sitting on the tree. Village, sweet village. There is no place like village. Friends, my dear viewers, you see, in the winter season, my village beauties. All these are my village beauties. The cows are grazing in the village forest and enjoying the morning sunshine. You can see the Indian black pigs in the village side, the countryside. You can see they are grazing in very happy mood. The shining black pigs, you see, the shining black pigs are here in the creek area. My village sheep friends, you see, they are grazing in my village forest. You see the beauties of my village in the noon time. You see my Indian village is eating drumstick tree leaves. Yes, you see.